Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to unbox and review for you, the original Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 and 6 Pro Adsorption Magnetic Protective Case. This 11-inch smart intelligent wake-up tablet flip shell protective is the perfect companion for your tablet. Let's dive right into the unboxing. As we open the package, we are greeted with the sleek and stylish protective case. It is specifically designed for the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 and 6 Pro, ensuring a perfect fit. With its adsorption magnetic technology, your tablet will securely attach to the case, providing optimal protection. The intelligent wake-up function is truly impressive. When you open the case, your tablet automatically wakes up. And when you close it, the tablet goes back to sleep, conserving battery life. It's a convenient feature that enhances user experience. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The case is made of premium materials that are durable and long-lasting. It offers full protection against accidental drops, scratches, and daily wear and tear, keeping your tablet safe and secure. The flip shell design provides multiple viewing angles, allowing you to find the perfect position for typing, watching movies, or browsing the web. It's both functional and versatile. Installing the case is a breeze. Simply snap your tablet into place, and it's good to go. The precise cutouts give you easy access to all ports, buttons, and features without removing the case. In terms of aesthetics, the original Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 and 6 Pro Adsorption Magnetic Protective Case truly stands out. Its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your tablet while keeping it well protected. It's a combination of style and functionality. To sum it up, the original Xiaomi Mi Pad 6 and 6 Pro Adsorption Magnetic Protective Case is a must-have accessory for your tablet. Its intelligent wake-up function, premium build quality, and stylish design make it the perfect choice. Thank you for watching our unboxing and review video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.